All right, we're back with another video. We're going to continue today talking about setting up your blog here at Prospex. And the topic I want to cover today is RSS feeds. And essentially, I'm going to teach you how to leverage the Prospex article network that we have, as well as the Prospex teleclasses and webinars. And I'm going to show you how to automatically be able to import that information from the articles as well as the webinars into your blog, whether it be your Prospex blog or any other blog that you might have that's out there. For example, if you have a WordPress blog or if you have a hub page blog, you can follow these same instructions in order to be able to import the content from the Prospex articles and teleclasses into your blog. And what that's going to do is it's going to provide information to your readers. It's always good to have great, good, solid quality content on your blogs, and that's in turn what's going to have people keep coming back to your blogs to read more. The good thing about leveraging Prospex for this content is that the quality is high end, but also should they want to read more of the article or if they would like to attend the teleclass or whatnot, we're going to show you how to embed your referral link right in the RSS feed that pulls the information from Prospex, and that's automatically going to happen for you. So what I want you to do first, I'm at my Prospex blog here. I'm going to show you, basically it's going to look like this once you get the feeds pulled in from Prospex. So this is a Prospex feed. This little RSS symbol is a syndicate technology, which means that it's pulling this information directly from Prospex, and I don't have to do any writing or do any coding or anything like that. It's very simple. It's going to take a couple minutes. And as well, I've got the teleclasses down here. So this is how to attract new distributors using Facebook. If somebody was interested in reading more about this or learning how to be able to attract leads, they can click on this, or here's one that Jack Zufeld did. Now what happens when they click this, they're going to be taken right back to my Prospex page. And if they want to be able to access the information, they're going to be forced to create an account at Prospex. That in turn is going to create me a lead. So what I want you to do right now is to log in to your blog. So I'm just going to log into my blog and I'm going to walk you through setting this up. So I'm just going to click login. And you can log in through your Prospex back office as well. Now once we're in here, we're going to click on design. And this is the theme that I've chosen. So regardless of what theme you've chosen, there's going to be a box here that says widgets. So we're going to click on widgets. And now what we're going to do is we're going to add, well, first of all, you're going to decide where you'd like to place your widget, place your RSS feed. So I'm going to click on visit site so we can see my site here. So we're going to place it on the right hand side. So let's say we want to place it right on top of categories right here. Okay, we want to put this feed, this RSS feed for the Prospex articles on top of the categories box right here. So we're going to go in here. We're going to make sure that we got the right sidebar chosen. Okay, sidebar 1. Here's the categories thing that we're seeing. So we see categories, network marketing training, and recent posts. So if we go over here, we see categories, free network marketing training, and recent posts. So that's the right area. So now what we're going to do is add what's called an RSS widget. And here it is right here. We see this RSS. We're just going to click on the add button right here. So this is automatically going to add an RSS widget right here. And we're going to move this up to the top because that's where we want to put it. And what we're going to do is click edit. Okay, and once you hit edit, it's going to pop up a menu like this where you can enter the RSS feed URL, you can give it a title, you can show how many items you'd like to display, as well as the display the item content, display the item author, as well as the date. So what we're going to do is we're going to go and grab the Prospex RSS feed for the articles. So we're going to go over to Prospex, we're going to click on library, we're going to click on articles, and now what we see here is all of the Prospex articles. So what we're going to do is click on this little link right here. It says subscribe to this feed, and what that's going to do is it's going to open up a new window, and it's going to show you a URL. if we go right down here, we can see this URL up here. This is, I'm logged in right now under the Prospex demo account. So it's going to say demo. For you, it should say whatever you're logged in as. So whatever your site name or your nickname for your site is, it should show that right here. And that's your affiliate and your referral ID. So what we're going to do is grab this whole feed. So it should end in feed.php. We're going to click that. We're going to right click, copy. We're going to come back over to the blog. And we're going to right click, we're going to paste that right in there. You can give it a title if you want. I suggest that you provide 5 of the latest articles from Prospex for your viewers. Display the item content. Now for articles, I don't suggest you display the item content unless your blog has an option whereby it'll say how much of the article would you like to provide. You don't want to put a whole bunch of duplicate content on your blogs. Well, the idea is that you have a little snippet and people have to click it to read more about it. So you can not put this on here because the WordPress blogs that we're using, it'll show the entire feed and that's way too much information. So by not clicking this, it's going to only show the title. So we can click this if that's available. And now we're just going to hit change and it'll update and save our content. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add one more RSS feed, and this one's going to be a little bit different. So we're going to add, we're going to move this up to the top, and then we're going to open up the edit. Okay, and that's going to pop up a screen that looks just like it did last time, except for this time we're going to put the Prospex teleclasses in there. So we're going to go back to the Prospex community, and we're going to find the teleclass link. We're going to do that by clicking on the training center and then teleclasses. This may change in the future, so if you're watching this video, there may be a link up here that says teleclasses. You'll want to click on that link. So we're going to access the teleclasses, and what we're going to do is over here to the side, we can see the teleclasses. So right here we've got the podcast and we've got direct teleclass feed, and what we're going to want to do is click on the direct teleclass feed, and that's going to open up a window just like last time, except for the content is going to be the information on the teleclasses. So what we're going to do is the exact same thing as we did before. We're going to grab the URL up here. Again, make sure that this is your affiliate ID from Prospex. Make sure that that is in the title right there. Mine is demo for the purpose of this account, purpose of this video. So right now, so we're going to highlight the whole thing, and we're going to right click, copy it, and then we're going to go back to where we were, and we're going to paste this right in here. Right click, paste this, and again the title will automatically be provided. We can do 3 for this one. We want to display the item content because it's not going to be a lot of content. It's just going to show up as fresh content for our readers that are accessing our blog. So we can display the item author, and then we just hit change, and that's it. And just like that, we've got it set up. So I'm just going to hit save changes now. And our changes have been saved. So now if we go back to our blog, so here is the teleclasses that we just added. And here is the articles that we just added. So now if somebody wants to learn about the $1 Million Secret, they can click on this. It'll go back, right back to, you see up here, my referral URL. And they can read the content of this information. And that's it. So what this is doing is you're leveraging Prospex to allow new, fresh, high-quality content to be placed onto your blogs. And through that information, if people want to read more about the information, the idea is that you're leveraging the articles, the teleclasses, and things of that sort to generate referrals and leads for your business. So again, you can do this in the Prospex blog network, but also if you have other blogging networks that you're a part of, you can set up those RSS feeds in those blogs as well. And that's it. So we'll see you again on another video, I'm sure, very soon. Bye for now.